How to plan a smooth transition to solo living. Hi, I'm Tim Blankenship with Divorce661.com. One of the biggest lifestyle shifts after divorce is transitioning to living on your own. Whether it's your first time living solo or just your first time in a long time, planning ahead can make the process less stressful and a lot more empowering. Let's go over how to create a smooth transition to solo living. First, budget for your new living situation. List all your expected expenses like rent or mortgage, utilities, internet, groceries, and insurance. Living alone often means taking on 100% of costs that you might have previously shared, so it's important to create a realistic plan from the start. Next, think about what you'll need to set up your new home. Essentials like furniture, kitchen basics, and home supplies add up quickly. Prioritize what you absolutely need at first and build up over time instead of trying to furnish everything at once. We helped a client who moved into her own apartment after 15 years of marriage. By focusing on the essentials first, like a bed, basic cookware, and a comfortable workspace, she was able to settle in without financial strain or feeling overwhelmed. At Divorce 661, we help clients prepare not just legally, but practically for their post-divorce life. We offer post-divorce planning tips to help you stay organized, on budget, and moving forward confidently. Also remember to update your important information: your mailing address, driver's license, utilities, and online accounts. This helps avoid confusion and protects your personal and financial security as you move into this new chapter. If you're going through a divorce and want help getting organized for your new life, financially, legally, and practically, visit Divorce661.com for a free consultation. We'll help you cover every detail so you can make a smooth, confident transition to solo living.